Well, I'm going to present the introductory quiz with the video. First of all, I'm going to show my ID. So, we can start. So, the video is about the three smart ways to learn English. So, we're going to start. In first place, I'm going to make an introduction of myself. So, the personal information. I'm Laura Corso. I'm 30 years old. I live with my husband and my son. My son has 4 years old. And in the picture, we can see my family. I'm in the last semester of public accounting, and this is my last level of English. So, about the three ways to learn English, I choose I don't know, the three ways to learn in this order. Subscribe to podcast or YouTube channel, obviously in English. Read everything you can um, and take note or new vocabulary and talk with English speakers. So, in study most deep the three items we have. First of all, there's an speaking English podcast or YouTube channel on whatever topic that you like. You can subscribe for one or many as you can. It's common that after the native safety difficult the understanding or everything is about educate the air because it's difficult to learn and develop the adequation to understand the what they're saying in other language that the foreign of every person. So in the next we have that learn vocabulary on reading is the most easy and smart way to learn another language. So it's classic for our reason because it works. And the part of the identify new vocabulary and maybe look for the meaning of each new word that you don't understand is very important to improve your knowledge about the new language. So in the third place, we have to seek native speakers for information language exchange and try to practice with persons that are allowed to manage and control the language in a good way. So, in conclusion, the three ways to learn English about different skills like listening, reading, and speaking that develop just like the podcasts for the skill of listening, the written vocabulary, obviously for the reading, and speaking with English native is the other to learn speak to learn English in a smart way. Thanks.